Ever wonder why some YouTube channels skyrocket while others barely get a few views? What if I told you the secret often lies in choosing the right niche, and that's exactly where NexLev YouTube Niche Finder steps in. If you're serious about automating your YouTube success and growing a profitable channel, this tool could be a total game changer. NexLev promises to help you discover the most profitable and untapped niches on YouTube without spending hours digging through data manually. Imagine having access to real, data-driven insights showing which topics get high engagement and low competition. Sounds like a shortcut every content creator wishes for, right? Before we dive in, I've got an exclusive offer for you. If you want to try NexLev yourself, click the link in the description below to get 15% off your purchase. It's a limited time deal designed to help you jumpstart your YouTube journey with a smart advantage. So, what exactly does NexLev do? At its core, it scans YouTube trends, keyword volumes, competitor strength, and audience interest to pinpoint niches ripe for growth. You can filter results by category, estimated earnings, and competition level, making it super easy to find that perfect sweet spot where you can stand out and grow fast. Many users have praised NexLev for its intuitive interface and up-to-date data. Even newcomers find it beginner-friendly, which means you don't need to be a marketing expert or data analyst to benefit from it. Plus, it continuously updates its database, so you're always working with fresh, relevant info. But every tool has its limits. While NexLev is great for niche discovery and initial strategy, it doesn't replace the creativity and effort needed to create engaging content. Think of it as your research assistant. It points you in the right direction, but the real growth comes from the videos you make. If you're ready to stop guessing and start growing your YouTube channel with smarter decisions, NexLev is definitely worth testing out. And remember, clicking the link in the description gets you 15% off, so don't miss out on that deal. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.